Today I show you how to take care of your cat cave. If it is not very dirty, you may use your vacuum cleaner with some special brush on top. If it is a little more dirty, you just flip over your cave like that through this hole, and it's a little hard, but you can make this. And now you shake off everything what was inside from your cat, and you have little sponge and you go like that, clean, and you may use little water with some dirty places, and again little dry like this, and flip over in your previous place. If your cave very dirty and you smell something, you know, always cat maybe do something with some smell, we don't know from where it's coming, you just turn over like this, and you put in washing machine. You may use circles like hand washing or bowl washing, and don't forget to use only fragrance-free detergent, because cat don't like any smell, and your cave smell only with organic natural bowl. I wash my cave in washing machine. Now I will check how it's look. Maybe some stains left? No, it look good. Now we flipping over in right side. It's still very wet. And you have to shape little with your hands, and after this we fill up with some papers, or you may use your old newspapers. You have to put full, very full. Now any place, empty place left, because it came little smaller, and we have to make previous shape. I did put all newspapers full in my full cave, and now I little shape with my hands, make previous shape. It was not easy job with so many newspapers, and better if you don't wash very often. Now put your cave in some place for drying. In winter you may use nearby radiators, and in summer you may put outside on sun. It will be dry after 1 or 2 days.